In this video, we are going to solve the question. There are 9 identical balls, one of which is heavier than the other 8. What is the least number of weighings using a two-pan balance needed for definitely identifying the heavier ball? And we are given 4 options. So, it is given that there are 9 identical balls, one of which is heavier than the other 8. That is, 8 balls have the same weight and the ninth ball is heavier than the other 8. And we have to find the least number of weighings using a two-pan balance needed for definitely identifying the heavier ball. Let these be our 9 identical balls, where one is heavier than the other 8. Let us divide these balls into 3 sets of 3 balls, that is, set A, set B and set C. In order to weigh the balls, we have 2 different cases and we are going to consider them one by one. Let us consider the first case. In this case, we are first going to weigh any 2 sets of 3 balls in the two-pan balance. That is, we have 3 sets, set A, set B and set C, and we are going to weigh any 2 sets. Suppose we are weighing set A and set B, and if they balance, that is, if set A and set B balance, then the heavier ball is not in the balance. That is, the heavier ball is one of the 3 balls which we do not weigh, and in this case, the heavier ball is in set C. So, in order to find the heavier ball, we have to weigh the 3 balls in set C. That is, we have to weigh any 2 remaining balls in the two-pan balance. Let us weigh any 2 balls in the two-pan balance. Suppose that they balance. Then the heavier ball is not in the balance. That is, the heavier ball is the ball which we do not weigh. So, in this case, the heavier ball is this ball. There is also another case in weighing too. Suppose that the 2 balls we are weighing do not balance. Then we can say that the heavier ball is in the balance. That is, the heavier ball is the one in the pan which went up the balance. Thus we can say that in case 1 we can find the heavier ball in 2 weighings. Now consider case 2. We are going to weigh any 2 set of 3 balls in the 2 pan balance as done before. Suppose we are weighing set A and set B. Suppose that they do not balance. That is, if set A and set B do not balance, then we can say that the heavier ball is in the balance. That is, the heavier ball is one of the 3 balls in the pan which went up the balance, and in this case it is in set B. So, to find the heavier ball, we have to weigh the 3 balls in set B. That is, we are going to weigh any 2 remaining balls in the two pan balance. Let us weigh these 2 balls and suppose that they balance. Then we can say that the heavier ball is not in the balance. That is, the heavier ball is the ball which we do not weigh. That is, the heavier ball is this ball. Now, suppose that the 2 balls do not balance. Then, the heavier ball is in the balance. That is, the heavier ball is the one in the pan which went up the balance. Thus, we have find the heavier ball in this case. Thus, in case 2 also, there are 2 weighings. Thus, we can clearly say that after 2 weighing, we can definitely identify the heavier ball. That is, the least number of weighings using a two-pan balance needed for definitely identifying the heavier ball in this case is 2. So, the correct answer is option B.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.